Hello, Adam.
Hello.
How's things?
It's very hot.
It is hot,
Yeah, we're in the middle of a heat wave and in a little room.
but we're doing okay.
Doing okay.
But I have a question, an important question as always. And this one is, can you tell me about debt consolidation mortgages, please?
Yes, I can tell you about debt consolidation mortgages. Well, um, debt consolidation, sometimes people find themselves in a situation where, they've had to borrow more money than they would have ordinarily wanted to. Life doesn't always go to plan, and sometimes, to maintain the costs, to maintain the bills, you might need to take loans, you might need to take credit cards. What you can do is you can look at consolidating those debts into one more manageable monthly repayment. It is important to remember, though, that those debts are unsecured debts to begin with, and you'd be transferring them. If we do it on a mortgage, you'd be transferring those debts from an unsecured basis to a secured basis, and your home may be at risk if you don't keep up the repayments on a mortgage secured against it. It isn't something, so we need to make sure basically that it's the right thing for you to do. Yeah. Debt consolidation just means that we are paying all of those debts off. We're going to put them into one monthly repayment. We're going to increase your mortgage. We're going to use the equity in your property to help make life more manageable for you. We'll ask you questions about how those debts have been accrued. We'll ask you questions about whether there are any other options that might be available, such as just taking another loan out, getting it into one payment, whether it's worth second charges, and things like that. So, we're here to give you full advice on what options are available for you. The other thing to consider with debt consolidation is that you're potentially stretching those debts over a longer period of time as well. So, you might have a loan, it's only 5 years left to run on it. If you turn that loan into a mortgage debt that's over 25 years, then yes, you're reducing your monthly payments now, but the total interest that you might pay over the term of the loan is going to be far more. If you've got a credit card that's on interest free and you want to put that into your mortgage, we're not going to do that for you. The reason being is that that's interest free. Why would we convert that to an interest loading debt for you? So we do need to have a real look at your situation and talk you through all the options that might be available for you. So if you do feel that that's something you want to talk a little bit more about, if you are having problems with paying debts at the moment and are looking to try and do something about it and not really sure where to start, then me and my team are on hand to help guide you through that. Give us a call on 0121 323 4999.
Thank you, Adam.